The Vaisala Forward Scatter Sensor FD70 is the aviation industry's best forward scatter technology for present weather, visibility, and runway visual range. Based on over 30 years of forward scatter sensor development, FD70 leverages patented Vaisala measurement technology. With its groundbreaking light sheet technology, weather and visibility conditions can be analyzed on a particle-by-particle basis to detect the most challenging precipitation types, such as sand and dust obscuration and even freezing rain and drizzle. Delivering the most trusted and accurate data, FD70 allows for enhanced auto-METAR reports that empower aviation decision-makers with the necessary data to take actionable steps to ensure airport operational efficiency, maintain safety, and optimize runway maintenance. With its flexible configuration and ability to detect 100% of even the slightest precipitation, FD70 outperforms and replaces several measurement devices with just one sensor, lowering lifetime costs. This high-performance sensor delivers the most reliable visibility readings and performs as best-in-class based on industry trials, performance analysis, and rigorous field testing and validation by Vaisala scientists in the harshest of conditions. Safe and efficient airside ramp and runway operations are crucial. With FD70, you can trust your observations in any weather from sandstorms to blizzards. In the end, it's during extreme conditions when consistency, accuracy, and operational excellence are verified. With Vaisala, you can be confident that your technology is developed by industry experts and trusted at over 2,000 airports worldwide.